Here we already polished all the sides, taking all the rust off, the extractor also gone, and now we'll make the edge again. Now that we are done with the etching, and we are happy with how the extractor looks and all the faces, we will soak it in distilled water with baking soda to neutralize all the acid that is on the cracks and on the surface of the cube. Here it will be like 20 minutes. So I'm really happy with the results. It looks amazing, much more better than last time, because this time for making the edge I added 15% of nitric acid. Last time it was around 10, so it's really deep, really nice and clear. And if you want to buy this cube or any other meteorite cubes, I have several sizes available on my website. The link is in the description. And if you liked the video, just put a like and subscribe, and I'll be happy to make more content like this for all of you. Thank you.